concept time. Okay kids, what's our concept time today? What's our concept time? Yes, see how the plant should be grown up. How the plant should be grown up. Okay, see how the plant should be grown up. Okay kids, how we are grown up? Okay kids, come on, how we are grown up? We are grown up from the child into an adult, right? Some right? Yes. Same like the plants also grown up from the seed into a big tree. So grown into a seed, from the seed into a big tree. Okay kids? See how the plants will be grown up. It will be grown seed into a big tree. Okay kids? We are grown up from the child into a adult. Correct? Same like the plants also grown up from the seed into a big tree. Okay kids? Come on, let's see how the plant should be grown up. Come on. See, what is the first step? What is the first step? See, we sow a seed into a ground. See, we sow a seed into a ground. Why we are sow the seed into a ground, baby? Why? Yes, because in the ground only we have a soil, no? Correct? In the ground only we have a soil. So, we need to sow a seed into a ground. Okay, kids? Next, from the seed, see what will be grown up? Root. Okay, this root will be grown up under the soil. Okay, we cannot able to see the root. Okay, so keep it air and sunlight. Okay, so you have to keep it the stage air and sunlight. Okay, after few days later, we get a small tiny plants. We get a small tiny plant. What is this name? What is this name? This is a sapling. Okay, the small tiny plants is a sapling. Okay, see the sapling have, see here, small root, small stem, see few leaves. Okay, this young and tiny plants is a sapling. Okay, so you have to regularly watering and give the sunlight. After few days later, it will be grown up into a big plant. It will be grown up into a big plant. See, it bears flowers. It bears flowers. Okay, baby, can I ask you one question? See, the young plants bears flowers. The young and tiny plants bears flowers. No. Once the plant will be grown up as a big plant, then only those plants bearing the flowers. Okay, everyone is clear? See, first we need to sow the seed into a ground, then keep the sunlight and air, then from the seed the root will be developed. We cannot able to see the root, then it will be developed as a sapling. After few days with regular water and sunlight, it grown up as a big plant. Okay, so this big plant bears flowers. Clear, baby? Then after few years later, it will be grown up like a big tree. See everyone, see here, after the big plant, after few years with regular watering and sunlight, it will be grown up like a big tree. Everyone see the tree now? See, from this plant, see, from this big plant bears flowers. From this, after few years, regular watering and sunlight, it will be changes as a big tree. It will be changes as a big tree. Everyone look at this tree? Yes, okay, after few years. Okay, baby? Okay. See how we are developing. How we are developing? We are developed from the child into an adult, right? Same like the plants also from this small plant will be changes into the big tree. Everyone is clear? This is way the plants will be grown up. These are the process the plants will be grown up. Let's see. Come on. Let's see. See, shall we arrange the chords? Shall we arrange the chords? See, this is we call this process of germination. Okay. Tomorrow we going to do the real germination. Before that, ma'am teach you how we need to do the process for the germinations. Okay. See here, everyone see here. See ma'am what I told. What is the process for grown upping plant? First what we want to do? First what we want to do? you take the seed and put it in the ground. You should take the seed and put it in the ground. Why? In the ground only we have a soil, no? So we have to take the seed and put it in the soil. Okay, baby. Tell me, from the seed what will be grown up first? From the seed what will be grown up? Come on. Yes, exactly. From the seed, see, the root will be developed first. Correct? Yes. So we can able to see the root. We can able to see the root, baby. No. Why? It will be under the soil. See, this root will be under the soil. Okay. See, this from seed from the root. What is the next step? What is the next step? Come on. Come on. See. Yes, this is the next step. See here. See, from the seed, the root will be developed. Then small stem and few leaves. Okay. What is this tiny plant's name? I told you, no, what is the tiny plant? This tiny plant's name? Sapling. See, this sapling has root, small stem and few leaves. Okay. After few days later, you have to regular watering and sunlight. What will we get? The big plant. What will we get? Will we get the big plant? What will we get, baby? We get the big plant. See, root, stem, leaf, branches and bud. Okay. Once the plant will be changes as a young plant to big plant, only it bears flowers. Okay. Young plants cannot bear flowers, baby. Okay. Once the plant changes such a big plant, only it bears flowers. Okay. See, this big plant have all the parts. What are the parts? What are the parts? Yesterday I thought, you know, this big plant have all the parts. What are the parts? Come on, tell me. Yes, what are the parts? See here, root, stem, leaf, branches and flower. Okay, so all the big plants have a same parts. All the big plants have a same parts. Come, let's see in this plant. Come, see. What is this? For this plant, what we did it last. See, we need to put the seed in this ground. Then it will be grown up as a sapling. See, from the sapling, few days or few years after, it will be changed as a big plant. Okay, this big plant have a parts. All the parts. What are the parts? See, root. Can you able to see the root in this plant, baby? No, right? Why? This root is under the ground. Okay. Can you able to see the stem here? Can you able to see the stem here? So we can able to see the root here? No. Why? The root is under the ground. Yes, exactly. Can you able to see the stem over here? See the plant. See, can you able to see the stem? Can you able to see the stem? Yes, this is a stem. This is a stem. Okay. Can you able to see the leaf? Leaf, see the leaf? Yes, you can able to see the leaf. What is this? Leaf. What is this? Leaf. What are these, baby? What are this? What are these? These are the branches. See, this whole plant have a lot of branches. Okay. What are these, baby? These are the branches. Right now, this plant does not have a flowers. Okay. But in few days later, it will bear flowers. Okay. Everyone is clear? What is the process of growing up plants? I hope everyone is clear in this concept. You have to take one plant and you have to practice in your home.
Careful, tiger. Don't destroy the plants. Even they have life. I am a plant, your friends are green. All around you I am seen. My main parts are the stems and roots, leaves, colorful flowers and fruits. We are roots, underground we grow. In search of water, deeper we go. We suck water through our walls and fix the plant so it doesn't fall. I am a stem and because of me a plant can stand upright, you see. I connect all parts with the roots, to them I supply water and food. I am a leaf, I'm mostly green. In many shapes and sizes I'm seen. I cook food for the plant in sunlight. Just like you, I breathe day and night. I am a flower with petals so bright, scented, colorful or white. I have very sweet nectar in me that's where I grow. I have seeds in me that you sow. I taste sour when I'm unripe, juicy and sweet when I am ripe. I'm so sorry. I'll try to be more careful next time.